Question 2 was the most successful of all of these. We've already got the structure there, and so the common denominator of these two things we know is this. We're timesing so what do you times this by to get here? You times by 2 minus 3x. So you've got to times the top by that as well. The bottom, what do you times here to get to there? We times it by 1 minus x. So you times the top by that as well. I'm very careful to be saying, how do you get from here to here? This is not a cross-multiply sort of thing, because then things go wrong in more complicated ones if you try and do that. So our first line is this. We're then trying to look for a number that would make one of these two things 0. Let's start with just x equals 1. When you put 1 in the left, you get 2. When you put 1 in here, you get minus 1. And when you put 1 in here, you get 0. That's why we did it. So we find out that a is minus 2. The other number that we're going to need is what goes in this one to make this one equal to 0. And so that's 2/3. Put a 2/3 in this side here, and you're going to get 2 take away 1, which is 1. That bit's 0, and 1 take away 2/3, so you've got 1/3 of b here. And so b is equal to 3. I mean, strictly speaking, we should write our partial fractions out at the end, although we didn't mark anybody down for that one because it did just say find a and b. But there is the answer.